Honor has officially announced the Magic 8 RSR Porsche Edition. Here is the key specifications that I am going to tell you. The phone will come with LTP OLED touchscreen display with a 6.71 inches screen size and 1.5K resolution. Battery will be big one, and that will be 7200 mAh with 120 watt fast charging and 80 watt wireless charging support. There is a Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset. This is the high-end chipset with a powerful octa-core CPU and GPU of Adreno. Smartphone is offering up to 24 GB of RAM and 1 TB of internal storage. There is triple camera setup with this phone. Main sensor is 50 megapixel wide with a 50 megapixel ultra wide camera and a 200 megapixel periscope telephoto lens with 3.7x optical zoom. Front camera will be 50 megapixel and a 3D ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. Phone will run on Android 16 operating system along with an IP69K rating. Smartphone has satellite communication. That's all for now. Guys, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks.